And I know for sure God is going to open your heart. And see, in Ezekiel, God was speaking. Son of God, speak unto these people. Speak unto these people. They are keeping idols in their hearts. They're keeping idols in their hearts. They are keeping idols in their hearts. So where are the idols? The idols are there in their hearts. What do you mean with these idols? Every chronic desire is an idol. Every chronic desire in your heart is an idol. That's why God saying, you son of man, speak unto them. There are idols in their heart, and they are creating a problem in their own life. Idol means a chronic worldly desire. Idol means a chronic desire in the heart. The worldly chronic desires, when they are coming and resting in your heart, you cannot go to Bethel. If you want to go to the house of God, take care of all those idols. What kind of idols? Yes, you got to do the job. Yeah. Now I tell you something. Sometimes they keep some worldly desires. In my state, I see the young people, they say, that you are my idol. Speak to the girls. He says that you are my idol and I'm keeping in my heart. I love you, they say. The man says, I love you, girl. The man says, I love you, girl. You are in my heart. That's why he says, I love you. Who is there in the heart? The girl is there in the heart. And the girl says, I love you, my boy. Oh, my babe, I love you. You are in my heart. So where is the boy? The boy in the girl's heart. And the girl is in the boy's heart. And the boy is and the girl is in the boy's heart. Take of all these idols. Take care of the girl from your heart. Take care of the boy from your heart. These are the idols. They say, I love you, I love you, I love you. Love Jesus Christ. God died for your sins. God came down to this world and He died for you. Call Him into your heart. Not the boy in the heart, not the girl in the boy's heart. You must remove those hearts and call Jesus Christ to come into your life. That's why God said,